Paccheri pasta with peas, spinach, and zucchini. A wonderful dish that we first had in Tuscany. This is what we will be preparing today. A lovely summer spring dish. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. Today for dinner I'm going to be preparing creamy Paccheri pasta with peas, zucchini, and baby spinach. Delicious. My husband and I fell in love with this dish in Tuscany. Now let's get started. I'm using Paccheri pasta because that's how this dish was introduced to us, but of course you can use any short pasta that you have. Start off by heating up a pot of salted water and cooking your pasta. Your frying pan from medium to high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to start with 2 minced garlic cloves. We're not going to cook it for more than a minute. Half a chili pepper. You can go with a full chili pepper if you like. Only 2 zucchinis. First I slice them in half and then I slice them into little moon pieces. Add to your pan. Cook until the zucchini are nice and soft. I'm going to say it if you could only smell my kitchen. The zucchini is almost done. Now it's time to add 2 cups of frozen peas. I love using frozen peas. They just have that wonderful taste to them. A cup of cooked spinach. That's our take on this dish. I'm just going to season with a little bit of kosher salt. Time to add the pasta. And I'm going to add approximately half a cup of pasta water. A little more than half a cup of pasta water. This is what's going to help with the thickening. This is an absolutely beautiful spring and summertime dish. All these vibrant colors. Half a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. You can put as much as you like, more for serving. Beautiful. Okay. To finish off this beautiful spring and summertime dish, a little bit of lemon zest. Oh, so nice. Now ready to plate. We're going to garnish the dishes with a little bit of fresh mint. Trust me, this is so delicious. I'm going to taste this for you. Delicious. This truly is a fabulous recipe for this spring and summer. If you do try it, please let me know. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And it's Caterina from My Home to Yours. Hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Have a fabulous spring and summer. Ciao.